What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Walmart and it's been such a long time since I filmed down the clearance aisle. And this clearance aisle is kind of special because it has a bright and cheerful yellow backsplash. Do you guys have this in your Walmarts too? I really love it. It makes me feel happy and it feels very springy. But let's go ahead and get started. We have kids smartwatch with headphones down from $39.98. Now they're $23.50. Portable field point targets for $14.75, down from $18.88. This is a retro portable electric fireplace. This is from Better Homes. It's $25, down from $58.62. If you're interested in this item, please scan it with the Walmart app. We have lots of sales going on light bulbs. Vintage light bulbs, $5.50. We have a rechargeable flashlight. We have some tube lights. We have window kits for $3.50. I have nothing but seasonal toys behind me. We have a pendant light for $15.18 from Better Homes. $21, you guys, down from $49.12. For this big radiator heater, just 21 bucks. Wow. We have air fryers for $35. Color changing water bottles for $3. They feel very heavy and nice. These ones say stay positive on them. We just have so much lighting on clearance right now. $15.66 for this Ryan's road trip starter set. We have some decorative items for $4. A couple more up here, all $4, down from $4.97. We have some heavyweight fleece thermals, ladies fitted thermal tops and bottoms. Yoga mats for $17.47, down from $24.97. The brand is Gaiam. We have paint on clearance, Ultra Interior Paint and Primer, $14.54, down from $19.38. And hold up, you guys, what did I just find? Look at these, $4 on clearance, you guys, $4. These are the mini lava and bundt cake makers for $4. We also have it in red. We have it in navy. What else? Ooh, we have the little waffle maker in pink for $4. We also have red. So we saw an end cap of these, but now we're finding these that are just $4. The bundt cakes. Just want to make sure I'm not missing any. Just $4. Ooh, pretty candles. These are all Better Homes and Garden candles. Peppermint cream. Ooh, peppermint cream. You guys, these are holiday. These are Christmas candles. Smoked cedar and snow. Okay, also nice. We have chestnut and meringue. We also have fir and frankincense. That one is really nice. Do we have one more? Wow, you guys. If you're the type of person that likes to buy candles and give them as gifts, I would say make a proposal to the manager, to whatever manager is on duty, and see if you can get these for 90% off. These are obviously all winter candles, and if you plan on buying a lot of them, ask to get them for 90% off. That would be $1.28 each. And these are gorgeous, gorgeous candles. Wow. What are these? Even more candles. Peace, gather, and joy. Even more up here. We have evergreen spruce. These are all Christmas candles. Christmas candles and fall candles. Wow. 25-cent faucet covers. This is the time of year to buy heaters, faucet covers, window coverings, boots, and those sorts of things for next year. Shovels, ice scrapers, stock up on those things now. You guys will be able to get them for like 75% off to 90% off if you think ahead and buy them now. Look, you guys, battery operated heated snow gloves. These aren't down that much yet. They were $49 though. We even have some night lights over here. Dust reduction filters. Raya and the Last Dragon. Raya is $441 for Raya. And who is this little guy? This is Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuk is $5.16. We even have some baseball socks for $1, down from $3.96. Wow, you guys. Yeah. We have lots of great clearance down the clearance aisle. These are even on rollback for $44.54. Ada Twist Scientist. This is the On-the-Go Lab. I'm not sure how much they originally were, but usually rollback means they're slightly lower than before, but not low enough to be considered clearance. Yes, you guys. It is just so refreshing to be here in a new store. I'm gonna head to the clothes next, and if I find a lot of amazing deals in the clothing section, I might just go ahead and share them. But oh my gosh, you guys, I just found more of the fishbowl sippers. I had shared these on TikTok and it went viral. These are the fishbowl sippers, and they're color changing, and this year they came out with more new varieties. So many people were into these in the comments. You guys will have to go back and read the sort of comments that I got when I shared this on TikTok, because people were really, really in love with those. And they were like Girls' Day, and they had all sorts of plans for their fishbowl sippers. Anyways, you guys, thanks for coming along to Walmart with me. I'm just seeing so many cute items and even Easter items that are already on clearance. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. I love it. It has like this really strong structure right here. That's a structure silicone mold. But all right, you guys, it's been amazing here in Walmart with you. I have to get some groceries, but of course, I'm gonna look around a little bit more. So let me know what you wanna see next time I come into Walmart. All right, you guys, love you so, so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.